This wiring harness is off from an 800 storm. Everything worked on that storm. I want to say it was a 96 or a 97. The only cut wire I have is this one right here that went to the voltage regulator, because I had a guy that wanted this because it's got the heated plug on it for the helmet. Like, there's the two grounds. The one wire that comes from the heated helmet wire, which is all taped up and everything. But that's the only wire right there. It goes right there. All the rest of this has all the ends on it. But you'll see the video, because I'll probably attach that to the this listing here of the sled that this harness was on. But I'll probably just let this go, the voltage regulator go with it, just so that way you can see where to go ahead and hook it back up to. But it was the only way that I could keep this with this. It's because it's like they had it soldered or something in there. So I had to just clip it off because there's no way to unplug it. So anyways, that's it.